Hey folks, Tony here from Rebel Financial. So thank you for tuning in again today. So as we're about halfway through tax season, I'm still getting questions about what people can do for deductions for 2021. There's not a whole lot you can do at this point, as I have to point out to people routinely, you can't contribute to a 401k for 2021 anymore. That ends December 31st. But there are some personal things you can do. So I'm linking an article below by Kate Dorr of CNBC. I try to always find an article to show something along the lines of what I'm talking about. So the biggest thing is if you're looking for a tax break, that you can get one from an IRA. So, but the problem with an IRA is it phases out pretty early, 76,000 thereabout for an individual, and it's like 125,000 for a couple. So, if you're really below that in income, you really probably should consider the Roth and not the tax break, because then you never pay tax on that again. But it is an opportunity to get a tax break. Secondly, those income limits go up if there's a stay-at-home spouse who doesn't have earned income. So even if one spouse is making more than that, the other one still might be able to contribute. So look at those limits too. That would be number two. The last one is one of my favorite retirement vehicles, although it doesn't always appear that way, is a health savings account, an HSA. The reason it's so good is because it can be used as an investment vehicle, just like an IRA, but it's never taxed. So money goes in after taxes, before taxes, gross tax deferred, and then comes out tax free if you're using it for medical expenses. But nonetheless, you will use medical expenses sometime in your life, either when you're younger, as you have accidents, or maybe in retirement. So it's best, I think, to put it in there and leave it alone, use other money for small medical things. But regardless, you should be utilizing it one way or the other. So about 3,600 for an individual, about 7,200 for a couple. And I say about because I don't memorize those numbers. I know I'm close, but make sure you check that out. So anyway, if you're looking for any more tips or you have any other questions, please feel free to comment or contact us. But otherwise, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, just let us know. So otherwise, until next time, take care.